Welcome to Lee Does Stuff. One of the most overlooked maintenance items on a vehicle is right under the hood, where nobody suspects. And it's right here on this ridge underneath your windshield wipers. All this stuff right here, falling leaves, pine cones, it just builds up, and especially when it gets wet, it'll start billowing over into your engine bay, and you can get some serious problems with this stuff. So anyways, I let it build up in my truck here just to show how bad it can get. And this is only one fall season. We're just coming into winter now, and very very important to clean out these little traps here. Keep them free flowing when water's running down. It keeps everything out of your engine bay and keeps everything running great. And this is very very important maintenance that really you don't see. I mean, how often? I mean, even if you open up your hood, if you don't really like look, you're not going to see it. So I encourage everybody, grab a glove and get to it. Now you're going to have all these little fine particles and everything, so get a blower. In a pinch, shop vac can also work. You just reverse the shop vac, and it'll work as a blower as well. So we don't really have excuses, guys. Let's clean it out. And look at this. Just peace of mind when you're driving, knowing that these traps are going to drain properly and you're not going to get any clumping or any debris in your engine bay that could affect performance. So there we go. While I'm under here looking at this Hemi 5.7 liter engine, I notice there's lots of dust, and I think engines, they just get dusty and they get dirty. And I remember a long time ago when I was a teenager, I had a old piece of crap GMC truck, and I sprayed the whole engine bay, and I got some problems with it. Lots of rusting in certain areas and components, and it just doesn't work. So I think if you are going to clean your engine bay, just take a rag, wipe it, make sure all the traps are clean, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching.